it's Pragna here from Core Body Balance. We have got Dan today. He's going to be speaking at our workshop on 3rd March at Rushden Lake. Dan, he's a Wim Hof method instructor with a background in martial arts, mindfulness and a hypnotherapist. Thank you, Dan, for coming around here. Could you share us the benefits of Wim Hof method so people can know it?
Yeah, so the Wim Hof method really increases your body's natural ability to heal itself from all kinds of illnesses and conditions. The driving force behind your body's regeneration is ATP, which is fueled by oxygen. So the Wim Hof method, the breathing in particular, which is what I'll demonstrate at the event, hyperoxygenates your system. So it provides your body with more fuel to regenerate, which gives you the ability, or increases your ability, to overcome all kinds of ailments and conditions.
That is fabulous. I have done myself Wim Hof breathing technique as well, and it is absolutely fabulous. You can use it anytime because the method is not something that you have to go to somebody to do it, and it can help you with your anxiety, depression, and also I know that the breathing technique can alkalize the blood in the system. Am I right, Dan?
Yeah,
saying in that?
yeah. So it, like you say, it's free to do. Once you learn the techniques, it's free to do. You can incorporate it into your life exactly how it works for you. There are no strict rules, or there's no dogma around the ideas. And yeah, what you're really doing is you're cycling your nervous system, which is where a lot of us, because of the conditions of the culture that we're in, we're stuck in a certain part of our nervous system, which is the fight-flight response.
Yeah.
And so that's a constant, instead of being triggered by huge events, quite often we have this chronic kind of background anxiety and stress, which is what's breaking down our cells and stopping us from regenerating. So we really want to take the whole system through a complete cycle, and that's what the Wim Hof method does.
So would you say that the autoimmune conditions nowadays is a lot in people? So does this method also help with the condition which has got generated from the autoimmune conditions?
I've not really, from what I've seen, it's incredibly helpful for everything. I've not seen it not help anything. It really attacks that first stage of the immune system's response, which is inflammation.
Yes.
And inflammation is the core.
Every single condition.
Yeah, so it's the basis for a lot of problems in the body.
Yeah.
For some reason, it shuts down that natural first response and goes straight to attacking the problem.
Yeah.
So it makes our immune systems more efficient, and it has it feels incredible to do as well. So it's not.
I'm such a big fan, and I really have got so much drive that everybody should learn this, from whether they are child, teenagers, or you are in the middle age, or you are in the age that you feel that, oh, I cannot do, but everybody can do it, and it has got massive benefits. So I would say that, on the workshop, you really want to learn this. You don't want to miss this. Please come around and have a look and see that whether it's for you or not. I'm sure it is for you because I love it, and we're gonna have Dan to share all his knowledge and experience with us. Don't miss it. We look forward to see you on the 3rd March at Rushden Lake. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you.